In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and receive payments through Invoices in QuickBooks Online. If you're a business owner or freelancer, getting paid on time is crucial to keeping your operations running smoothly. QuickBooks Online makes it easier than ever to streamline your invoicing process and accept payments directly from your customers. Whether you want to enable credit cards, debit cards, or bank transfers, this tutorial will walk you through the entire setup process so you can start receiving payments faster. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Let's get started. First, open your QuickBooks Online dashboard by logging into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top left corner of the screen and click on the New button. This will bring up a menu of options. From that menu, select Invoice to create a new invoice. This step opens up the invoice creation screen, where you can start customizing your invoice. Now, focus your attention on the top right corner of the invoice screen here. You'll see a button labeled Manage. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from those options, select Payment Options Settings. This is where you'll configure the payment methods that your customers can use to pay their invoices. Once you're in the Payment Options Settings, you'll see a Setup button. Click Setup to begin configuring your payment methods. At this point, QuickBooks will guide you through enabling the payment options that best suit your business. You can choose to accept payments via credit and debit cards, bank transfers, or both. Select the methods you want to enable, and QuickBooks will walk you through the next steps. To proceed, you'll need to connect your business and bank account details. This step is important for ensuring that payments are processed securely and deposited directly into your account. Be sure to provide accurate information and complete the authentication process as prompted. Depending on your location and QuickBooks requirements, you may also be asked to verify your identity. Simply follow the instructions on screen and complete any required verification steps. Once you've finished setting up your payment methods, QuickBooks will guide you through finalizing the setup process. Follow all the prompts to ensure everything is configured correctly. When you're done, you'll be ready to start sending invoices that include clear online payment options for your customers. Now that you've set up payments, you can begin creating and sending invoices. Make sure each invoice includes the payment options you've enabled, so your customers can easily pay online. QuickBooks also allows you to review important details, like payment availability, fees, and processing times for each method. Take a moment to review this information and make sure it aligns with your business needs. If you ever need to adjust the payment methods you accept, you can always return to the Payment Options Settings area. Simply go back to the invoice screen, click on the Manage button in the top right corner, and select Payment Option Settings. From there, you can make any changes you need to ensure your payment setup continues to meet your business requirements. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to configure QuickBooks Online to accept payments through your invoices, making it easier for your customers to pay and for you to get paid faster. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.